It's really nice because it allows me to not have to worry about getting food from the grocery store and spending a lot of money, because groceries are going up quite a bit nowadays, and balancing 2 full-time jobs plus school makes it a little difficult to have the money for groceries, and also having to pay for rent and other living costs.
The food lockers are outside of our entrance 6 here, which is on one of our side of our buildings.
It makes it very convenient, and you can kind of work around your schedule also to pick your food up whenever you're available.
So it kind of just helps them to be able to say, hey, I was able to order it off an app, and they don't have to talk to anyone, they don't have to interact with anyone other than just interacting with the screen to pick up their lockers and come in and come out. So on average, our food pantry is serving anywhere from 75 to 80 students a week. So knowing that we have a lot of students that are in need of food, we really wanted to look in our outside community to see how can we partner with another company to see how we can bring that extra resource into Fox Valley Technical College. We want you to focus on your education first, and we can provide this other resource for you.
It's very refreshing because it makes me feel like they actually care about me as a student. Like most big colleges just kind of view you as another tuition, and here they actually care about you as a person.